These are freshly cut asparagus from the garden. I'm going to show you an easy way to prepare them. First, you just wash them under water. And then I put mine in hot boiling water. You can fry these or saute them, but I prefer boiling water. It's been about 7 minutes later, and when I put my fork in here, push my fork in, it's a little tender. The water is all gone. What I do is I take a little bit of butter and just saute them. I turned my heat off and I'm just sauteing them lightly in butter. And if you like them a little more salty, you can add a pinch of sea salt.